Hey you guys, it's me, Margarita, or Ree. These are my nails, and today we're going to be doing them with some press-ons. These would be the press-ons that I'm going to be using today. They're the Kiss ones, and it kind of shows you right here what to do. And this is the website that you actually can go on to look for more styles. I just like to start by basically unpacking everything and setting up my station so it's easier to work. So I actually don't love the glue that they give you with this, but it is good for emergencies, so you can toss that into your purse for later. They also give you a mini file and cuticle pusher, which I do like to save and toss those in my purse. You're also going to need clippers, cuticle nippers to get them cuticles honey, and a nail file. Also, I like to use my own cuticle pusher. Then we're going to trim our nails if you need to. Then we're going to use that pusher to push back our cuticles to make sure we have good adhesion. If you have excess cuticles and oils on your nails, then the press-ons will not last as well or look as good. So, sorry, hit the camera. But you just want to make sure that you have any excess stuff off your nails so we can make sure that they attach. Next, we're going to clip those cuticles and all the extra dead skin that we have pushed up. And also cut that hideous thing off my finger. So I actually had busted that finger. I was chasing my dog around and I tripped and it hit my cuticle. But yes, we are now just continuing to remove those cuticles. And man, that looks so much better already. And we're going to do the other hand. Before I start clipping, I also forgot to mention that I do like to go ahead and find the sizes for each finger to make sure that I can save time and not have to dig through them after I've already done my manicure. So after we do that, I normally like to wash my hands again just to make sure I get off all the dead skin and hangnails and stuff like that. And this is a glue I was talking about that I prefer. It just tends to last better, and whenever you're doing a new set of nails, I would definitely suggest using a new bottle of glue because it just tends to work better. Now we're going to use this little mini nail file and use the softer side. It kind of has two grits on both sides, I think, and use the softer side just to buff the shiny layer off of the top of your nail. After you do that, that's when you start gluing on the nails, and I just like to put a little bit on my actual nail and then a little dab on the fake nail. You don't have to do that, but that's what I like to do, and I just use a little bit on both. Don't use too much because you can overflow them. And I lightly place it on there just to make sure it's the right direction because they can get wonky sometimes, and then I will press it down when I'm happy and hold it for 15 seconds. Yay, we got that one on. And then I would just continue with the next nails. we are going to file the tips of the nail because sometimes they have little tabs there or they can be a little too pointy or a little off. And by filing them, it does customize the shape just a little bit more so they look a little more real. Also, a little trick is to buff off any glue you might have gotten on your fingers with the file. That really does help. Okay, so this glue and mini nail file I'm going to toss in my purse, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of cuticle oil to help with the dryness. Alrighty, my lovelies, well that is it. This is the finished product and I hope you love it. I hope it's as easy for you as it is for me now that you have all the tips and tricks. And if you like this video and you do your nails, please comment down below and what color would you do.